Hey guys, it's Joy from your AI Wizards, and we are continuing with our series on creating a side hustle. Excuse me. Today we're going to talk about creating your business plan. So, just to recap, you've picked your idea, you know what you want to do for your side hustle, you've decided on whether it's going to be um, affiliate with another company or if you're creating your own product. But now we're going to talk about having a business plan. So many people just kind of wing it when AI is a great tool, a great assistant to help you create your business plan. So, for my side hustle that we're going to use for an example, I think in my last video I mentioned that I was going to get in the food area, which is hilarious because those of you who know me know I don't cook. But I thought it would be fun because I want to really demonstrate how beneficial AI can be. So, I am going to create a business plan today on my side hustle. So, my prompt will be I am starting a side hustle that has to do with the food industry. I need to create a business plan. This side hustle is an affiliate with an established company. What are the components that are necessary for a side hustle? So first, my first prompt is, what are the components of a business plan? Let's say I've never started a business before. I've never created a business plan before. So I just want to learn what are the components of a side hustle, of a business plan for a side hustle. So then it's giving me a list, an executive summary, a business description, a market analysis, a marketing and sales strategy, an operations plan, a financial plan, risk assessment, and then it gives little tips underneath, not tips, but topics underneath each of the main headings. And in my custom instructions, I always ask for a summary or the key takeaways for an answer just so it recaps and I don't have to go back and look all the time. So um, we are going to take these one by one to create an in-depth business plan. And the reason why you want a business plan is it's really a roadmap for your business. If you just kind of wing it, then you don't know like the next step and then the next step. And all of these elements give you the backbone of your business. So the first one is just give an overview of your business, a mission statement, and key objectives. So I want to answer these questions in my next prompt. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to put it into the prompt, paste it, and I'm going to go down there. And I'm going to describe my side hustle, the nature of my affiliation, and I'm going to create a mission statement and what my objectives are. So, in response to the executive summary, I want my goal, my mission is to provide healthy alternatives to women for easy, simple cooking dinner applications. Can you create a mission statement from these details? All right, and then here's the overview. Don't you love it? This side hustle is dedicated to revolutionizing the way women approach dinner prep by offering a curated selection of healthy, easy to prepare meal solutions. And then it lists out my mission statement. Our mission is to empower women with hold on, mealtime solutions, um, transforming mealtime into a simple, enjoyable, nutritious experience. We are committed to sourcing the best ingredients, providing innovative cooking solutions that fit seamlessly into busy lives of women everywhere. And then it lists out my goals. So this this is an important way to start your business, to know your mission, to know your objectives, and let AI do the work for you. It is just a world of information, so you don't have to do the heavy lift. So start on your business plan with determining your mission and your vision and your objectives. Now, I can go back and ask for a vision statement too, but I think you guys get the idea. So if you have any questions, this is the first step of many steps for our business plan, but I want you to start with your mission, your vision, and your objectives. And then I will, in the next video, talk about um, the business description, and we'll get into the business model and the market analysis, because those are really important too. You need to know who your target market is, who your competitors are, what you offer, and um, how you're going to operate your business within your business model. And that's important too, because if you know the direction of your business, then you don't get sidetracked on things that are not going to make you money. All right, that's all for today. Hope you have a good day.